Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will tell you how to fix date and time grayed out or date and time settings option not working on iPhone, iPad. Firstly, click on Settings app. In Setting page, click on General. Click on Date and Time. Here you can see Set automatically and time zone not working. Here you can see set automatically and time zone not working. How to fix here? Solution 1. Click on Settings app. In Setting page, scroll down, find Privacy and Security and click on it. Click on Location Services at top of the page. Turn off Location Services. In Setting page, click on General. In General page, completely scroll down and tap on Shutdown at bottom. Turn off your device. After few seconds, turn on. Click on Settings app. In Setting page, click on Privacy and Security. Click on Location Services. Click on Location Services. Turn on Location Services. Click on System Services. Settings Time Zone. Toggle off and toggle on Settings Time Zone. Toggle off and toggle on Settings Time Zone. Solution 2. Open your Settings app. In Setting page, click on Screen Time. Completely scroll down and tap on Turn off Screen Time. Enter your screen time passcode. Enter your screen time passcode. Again, click on Turn off Screen Time in pop-up window. Turn off Screen Time. Solution 3. Click on Settings app. In Setting page, click on General. Scroll down, find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Scroll down, find Transfer or Reset iPhone and click on it. Click on Reset. Click on Reset all setting. Enter your iPhone passcode. Again, click on Reset all setting to confirm this process. Again, click on Settings app. In Setting page, click on General. Click on Date and Time. Set automatically and time zone working here. Set automatically and time zone working here. Guys, if this video helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe.